Oh, there we go. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techwood Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday. AMC is about to make highs on the day, and I wanted to actually talk a little bit about it. Just a quick little update for you guys, not just on my green days do I like to show you, but of course on my red days. Today is, of course, a little bit more of a green day, to say the least. So we have 2,000 shares, about $76,000 invested behind this AMC trade. The reason that I'm talking about it today is if you guys look at this on the 1 hour time frame, we're actually doing something now that we have not been able to do for the past 2 weeks. So ever since AMC hit highs of $52, so a show of hands, how many of you guys would like to see AMC return back to $50 a share, right? Well, that's the whole reason a lot of people are buying at the $30 to $40 range to be able to ride it back up to $50, as that was a very common resistance level. It has not been able to trade above this SMA line. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Please make sure that you do your own due diligence. We actually just hit new highs on the day, and we've been struggling to recover and break above the SMA line, or the moving average. Every time that we try to break above, we break right back down below and make lower highs and lower lows. The overall direction was not in our favor until we really began to consolidate. So AMC for the past week hasn't really been selling off. It's just kind of been consolidating. And today, now it is actually trading above the moving average and the EMA line as well on the 4 hour time frame. Even on the 1 hour time frame, even on the 4 hour time frame, we're beginning now to consolidate and trade above this EMA line. So I'm someone that trades AMC. I'm not someone that holds AMC. I need you guys to know this because I don't want to pretend like I'm doing something that I'm not, right? At the end of the day, if your intention is to hold AMC, all power to you. My intention is to treat AMC like any other hyped up stock, where I want to take advantage of the lows and be able to sell the highs. With that being said, as of right now, with where we're at, and now it be actually indicating signs of a potential support, it makes a little bit more sense on maybe why I would want to step on the gas. So what I'm personally looking out for is for AMC to actually begin to trade above $40. I could see there to be a potential breakout, just like we've seen last time, where when it actually surpasses that previous resistance range, we can see a nice little pop-off. Do I think it's going to be as dramatic as before? No, not necessarily, but it would be a step in the right direction. Even if we work our way back up to this current SMA line on the 4 hour time frame, right around $41.50, which was the previous resistance level, would be, I think, a huge milestone and a step in the right direction. Do I think that everyone, an absolute beginner, should buy AMC stock because it's the safest and best trade ever? Definitely not. I'm someone that understands the risk involved with AMC. If you don't agree with that, then again, you're entitled to your own opinion, but it's very naive for anyone to say that AMC is not a risky trade. And you'll see people in the comment section, and you'll see who is someone that is, who has their thoughts collected versus someone that's just very hopeful. And at the end of the day, there's no right or wrong, I guess. It's just more of like, how is it that you personally want to approach the market? Do you want to approach it in an aggressive way? If so, maybe you can trade AMC in an aggressive way. And or you need to learn how to walk before you run. And most importantly, I love being invested in blue chip stocks. But when it comes down to AMC, I also like trading aggressive moving stocks as well. I just need to make sure that I hold myself a little bit more accountable when it comes down to the volatility that it presents. And there's no question that AMC does come at a greater form of risk, as some days it could gap up 5, 10, 15%. Other days it can drop 5, 10, 15%. So that is a riskier trade. And if you can't tolerate that, then maybe AMC just isn't something that you personally want to take advantage of. Again, you need to learn how to walk before you run. And I just want to make sure that I not only talk about the great incentives and the pros of it, trading AMC, due to the upside potential if it were to recover from where we're at right now to previous just resistance levels. That's about 34%. But then I also talk about the risk involved, right? There's two sides to every opportunity, so that let's not pretend like there isn't. But yeah, I'm very excited to follow up. It's Friday. I didn't actually expect today to go according to plan. And the reason why is yesterday was a very strong day for the overall NASDAQ market, which when the market opened today, we actually saw a lot of stocks pull on back, including AMC. but after a short period of time, we actually indicated signs of a reversal, and again, it began to recover. So it's great to see that the market is actually trying to make a recovery and show signs of recovery, but we'll see if it holds at these levels. So you guys can let me know in the comment section, what is your plan with AMC, and do you plan to lock in profits at $50, or do you plan to hold beyond that, right? I don't think there's a right or wrong. It's just based off of your intention and how it is that you manage and mitigate risk. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you guys haven't done so already, and I will see you during our live trading session on Monday at Market Open. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.